Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Huntsville, Alabama. Now we've got another one that is a good collaboration. It is a 2026 Airstream Stetson 4.6 Ranch Edition. Oh my gosh. This model number is a 26FBQ, so let's get started. The length on this Stetson 4.6 is 28 feet 2 inches. The dry weight is 6,700 pounds with a hitch weight of 900. GVWR of 7,600 pounds.
Guys, this one is just so unique and so amazing. We're a little bit overcast today, so I'm not sure if the design on these windows are going to show up. But if anybody is into ranching or rodeo, or even if you just like westerns, this is going to be one to come look at. It's not decals, but the screening on these windows have got the western scene with the cowboy here. It is really neat to see.
So if you like the cowboy, the western theme, you're going to absolutely love
That's
this
what I just
one.
said. Hey, I mean, if nothing else, if you just like to watch westerns, you're going to like this one. It is going to give you an electric tongue jack right here. Of course, Airstream always gives you these wonderful covers for your propane tanks. Your battery is going to go right down here, and you do have some storage right there. Actually, that's pretty good storage. You can get more than just your cord in there. Like you said, this is the Stetson 4.6 edition. Not sure how many of these they are, but I do know that it is kind of a limited collaboration.
Do you know where the 4.6's ranch is?
I'm gonna assume that it's in Texas.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Everything's in Texas, except us.
Out there close to Lubbock.
Down here, you are going to have a sewer caddy. Your dump area is going to be right there. Of course, now, if you know, Airstreams do not have slide outs, so they are, oh, there's no setup. You just pull up and park.
Awesome.
There. This is going to give you this wonderful hatch on the back. So when you have days like right now, we've got a breeze blowing. It's actually a nice breeze.
Yeah.
So you can pull the screen down right here, sit back here, and enjoy it. Now this one, as you can see, the table's going to be here at the back. We're going to show you some more of that when we get inside.
There we go.
Yeah, so there is some storage there in the bumper.
You can put your stinky slinky back there.
You can, if you don't want to put it in that little holder. Now, Airstream is going to give you 1,000,000 awnings. No, I'm just kidding. But you do have one on both sides, and you also have one over the back. We don't have the links on those. If we can find them, we will drop them down in the description.
You may have to check out airstream.com.
Exactly. Here on the screen door, you can see that it does have the Stetson and the 4.6 logo, and you actually have your lovely Stetson hat down here.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. Now, something you are going to see, aside from the storage at the front and in the bumper, you don't have any more outside storage. But that's okay, because the inside of this is so amazing, you're not going to want to stay outside. That kind of defeats the whole purpose of camping, though, but that's okay.
Okay, I like this one.
This one is so cool. Obviously, you can tell right off the bat that you're going to have your leather seating areas. Of course, I mean, this is, you know, you can use this for some additional sleeping if you need to. I love this table. Again, your nice big hatch here at the back that is open. And something that I have never in my life seen in a camper, you have hat storage.
Yes.
So if you have your 10-gallon hats, you can put them right up there and display them. Of course, you got your speakers. You have some radio controls, your solar controllers. There is some power up here. And this is going to give you shades that you can move around however you need to. Your reading lights are there in the corners. Now, let me have a seat right here real quick. Coming in the door, you're going to have a garbage can right off the bat, nice and hidden, along with your light switches and your awning controls.
This one also has 300 watts of solar,
Watts of solar. Yeah.
and a 2,000 watt inverter. So, yeah.
So, yeah, here in the kitchen area.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah, I love that it gives you this kind of more of a rustic look. You've got this copper finish sink.
Yeah.
Your
Love these.
it's not rubbed bronze, but it's the black finish on your faucet. Your countertop is going to give you a leather look. It's not leather, but it looks like leather. Some super nice storage underneath. And then, of course, the storage across the top. I love that Airstream has this lovely rounded area. It kind of reminds you of an aircraft. Or if you like, we have actually owned a couple of Silver Eagle buses. So the rounded shape reminds us a lot of our bus.
Yes.
You've got all of these pull-out drawers here in your kitchen. Drop-down storage underneath your convection microwave. It is going to give you a 3-burner cooktop. Love the little Western design right there.
So cool.
That is so cool. Now, finishing out in here, you've got this great big sofa area. Got a little spot right there you can slide some shoes under, and of course there's storage, and then there's some back under there also, along with power and your vent. Storage here. This divided storage. Big drawers. These are nice deep drawers. You have an open area here that has this little bar to keep stuff from sliding out.
Is that to put your whiskey?
Well, you know.
What would y'all put in there?
I was about to say the strongest thing I drink is Gatorade, so I don't know what you would put in there. I guess you can put whatever you want. It'd be your camper. Your TV's got there. This is going to be a 32 inch, I believe.
Yeah.
And it will swivel out. Love the Airstream windows up here. This is going to give you a 12-volt compressor fridge. You've got some storage up above it. And then there's going to be
a little bit down here.
A little bit down there. It's not
much.
Not much, but hey, you can stash stuff if you need to. Also love the Western themed rug that comes with this one. Gives you a nice color in here. AC unit right up there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is a really great wardrobe area. So it's got a storage shelf at the top, and you have your hanging. Of course, this is all the extra stuff that comes in your cushions that help make your dinette into a sleeping area. Again, you see your heatings down there.
And you've got this.
And you do have a privacy curtain.
Privacy curtain, yeah.
And did we show this? No.
Oh.
Yeah. So right here you've got your pull-out storage, and then some.
Oh, that's nice right there.
Yeah, some nice deep shelving storage right there.
Oh, glad I caught me on that one. Hey.
This has got a split bathroom, so this is one of the reasons why you have your curtain here. So your shower is going to be over here. I don't have an exact size on this, but now Jeremy's 6 feet tall. So, I mean, you know, your Airstream showers are not going to be huge, but they will work. And they also give you a clothes drying rack in there. You do have a skylight right above his head that actually has a shade on it, so you can pull it too. If you have ever tried to cram those pillows and stuff up in those skylights, you know having a cover like that is amazing.
Okay, I want to let you come in.
All right.
Because I tried to open it all up.
Yeah, so here in the well, like I said, the bathroom is split, so your toilet and sink is on the other side. You have this mirrored medicine cabinet. It's round. It looks very cool. And you've got these really rustic looking lights, fixtures in here, storage across this little shelf here. You've got a place here for your hand towel, some power, another one of these copper finished sinks with the black hardware. Love this towel ring. It's got the horse head on it because it's just adorable.
Pretty cool.
Storage there, and then of course you've got sliding storage over here, and this is going to give you a porcelain foot flush toilet.
And the wall board has got a theme.
Yeah, if you've watched the old westerns in the black and white, when you have the scene of the clouds and the sky, that's exactly what that looks like. Now, moving into the bedroom. Love the theming in this. They just did so well with this, with the colors. You've got your denim blues and your rust colors and your beiges, and it just goes together so well. I'm going to think this is a camp queen, but this may be an actual queen. It's a little hard to tell.
An actual queen. It's kind of hard to tell because
it's hard to tell because it is rounded on the sides. But it does almost look like it's long enough to be an actual queen.
I don't know. There's so many pillows on here, I can't tell.
Yeah, the pillows are throwing us off because there's just a ton of them. You've got the storage up above. Again, these really cool rustic lamps here.
And you got the little reading lights
and reading
here too.
lights.
Yeah.
And of course, all of these windows, of course, can be covered up if you need them covered up.
I've got storage on the bottom of this one.
Okay, AC unit up here. Yes, there's storage on this side too. So yeah, it goes, and it goes on back in there pretty good. Power, USB. Again, more of this leather trim in here.
I like that.
It is really, really pretty. I'm going to give you a TV over here. This looks like a 27, 24.
Yeah, it's going to be a small one.
Small one, but it is on a swivel, so you can move it around. And again, another one of these curtains that you can close off for some additional privacy in here.
Can we get this one?
I really like this one.
I
love the colors in this one. They just, they just really did very well with this.
We love looking at the collaborations on these.
So we want to know what you guys think. But hey, if you get this, and just like any other camper, it's going to have a black tank and it's going to need treatment. So check out our 20% off liquefied coupon.
All that information is down in the description of this video, along with the dealership's information. If you like this Airstream, come over here and check these guys out at the Great American Store right here in Huntsville. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Thanks.